A mother and daughter teamed up to create really beautiful products that combines elegance with functionality, and the company is called Georgia and Dublin. My favorite product is here the Rain Wrap. You just put it around your waist and the Velcro fixes it. It will not only keep you really dry when it's pouring outside, but it will also keep you warm and cozy when it's starting to be windy and colder outside. What I really like about the company is their sustainable thoughts, because whenever possible they use recycled products for their own range, and the design as well as the prototypes are produced in Ireland, and the rest of the range is produced in Poland, so in the EU, by a family-owned company. And I highly appreciate that they're giving so much attention to the whole production. And you cannot only use this as rain clothing, you can also use it as a picnic blanket when you're in a park and the lawn is getting a little damp. And you can also put it together. It's really small, you can carry it anywhere, it's super light. And I also like that it's noiseless. So sometimes you're wearing rain clothing that's very noisy, which really drives me crazy. And this is really nice fabric, noiseless, high quality. I'm wearing my skirt for a couple of years now. You have different sizes and different colors, so you can really choose from a wide range. And this rain wrap here costs 59 euros, which when you ask me, it's a very reasonable price and a very high quality product. And you do something good because they're a really sustainable company. And guys, if you liked our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.